Hi there everybody, my name is Hector Perez and I'm here with tips and tricks about technology that can help you advance your creative projects. This is the fourth part of our Premiere Pro sequence of videos, and in it we will learn what is inside of the other panels outside of the effects panel in which we have spent most of our time as of now. There is the color panel, there's the graphics panel, and others that we can see and use in other stages of our editing. So let's go see what we can do there. Then there's just one thing left for us to do, which is kind of have a quick tour of the other panels that are up here, which can let you do different things. Like you can see there's color, there's effects, there's audio and graphics, and that's actually pretty much what they do. Like if you want at a certain point to do some color correction, you can go into the color tab and use any of these methods on the right hand side to correct the color. You can also use the effects kind of tab up here to look at all the effects that exist. There's audio effects, there's video effects. Yeah, so that's kind of what there is there. I should mention there are actually effects that every clip just has added to them by default. Namely, these would be opacity, position, and scale. You don't really have to add them manually. It's just like once you add the clip to your sequence, that clip's gonna intrinsically have those so that you can actually control those parameters. We are there now, so you can see there's audio effects, video effects. There's actually lumetri presets that's actually kind of like looks that your video can have, so you can actually apply that to a clip and it'll change the clip visually. Like if you are in a clip and you select one of these looks and drop it onto the clip, it'll actually change the look of the clip. I can just add it. And you can see it's a monochrome, faded film, whatever. And so like that's what it did. You can always just go back with command set as usual, as in any other program. Basically that's it. For effects, you can just find different effects here, experiment and add it to your clips. Then audio. Here is the audio tab. You can see that there's actually songs that you can select. Some of them you have to buy. I would say I don't really use that, and I use this audio section to level out different kinds of audio that I have in my project. Like if I have dialogue or music or sound effects, you can label each audio that you have in your project as one of these types and then make them kind of level themselves as you may want them to. For example, you want the dialogue to always be louder than the music, you can make that happen. So that's how you can do that. This is why this panel is useful. Go into the graphics tab. In this panel, you can actually add shapes, titles, etc. There's actually some presets that are already made for you if you want to use them. In terms of titles, you can just drag them onto your timeline and it'll actually add that title on top of the clip or wherever you are in the timeline. Yeah, you can see them here. There's some titles and such. But you can actually click on edit here and create your own kind of layout. You can actually just drag a text and put it into your timeline, type in anything you want, or create shapes, etc. So that's just where you can add those titles basically. Just to show you, maybe I'll just create a little text here. Just call it little text here, literally, if it lets me. So I can't spell, but yeah, little text here. So this is my little text, and then that's where that is. I have centered it now on the screen. So you can see that it actually added it on the other track here. And you can actually just see it kind of appear when that particular kind of pink clip starts. That's my graphic. And I can actually see hear what layers are involved in that graphic. So that's kind of what all the panels do. We've covered everything that we wanted in this video now. Thank you for learning about Adobe Premiere Pro with me, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to include them in following videos. If you liked this video or you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, as well as hit the notifications if you would like to get alerted when I make a new video. All the best to you and to your creative projects. See you soon.